This is the Dollemore Daily, and I'm Jesse Dollemore.
First, I want to say thanks to Rachel Maddow over at MSNBC. They uncovered this memo, their show, the producers. I'm sure she had some hand in it, absolutely. This memo from the Office of the Attorney General, right here. And listen, all this does, the thing I'm getting ready to talk about, which you know because you've read the title of this video, there's no way to hide the topic, is this reinforces my decision over the course of the last year and a half to be screaming about the inaction of Merrick Garland, the intentions of Merrick Garland. Wondering, where is the Attorney General of these United States? Where is the leader of the Department of Justice? And why is he choosing to do little? I won't say nothing, because he has done something. But he needs to get off his hands. He needs to get off his ass. He needs to get out from under his desk, where he must be sucking his thumb in terror. Because this memo lays out a case of leaving politicians, even criminal ones, alone for fear of the impression that there might be political machinations at play. We prosecute criminals in this country. We investigate crimes in this country. We live under the banner of the rule of law, where statues of Lady Justice have a blindfold because they are blind. Justice is blind. It's dispassionate. It makes decisions. It calls balls and strikes. It doesn't take into account whether you're running for office if you've committed crimes. Or at least, that's what we talk about. I'm going to read three paragraphs from this. And buckle in. This is a memorandum for all department employees. The Attorney General signed the memo signed by Merrick Garland. It's not authored by someone and then he didn't realize, I didn't see that. That's not for me. He signed it. This is him. Statements, investigations, and charging near an election. The Department of Justice has a strong interest in prosecution of election-related crimes, such as those involving federal and state campaign finance laws, federal patronage laws, and corruption of the election process. As department employees, however, we must be particularly sensitive to safeguarding the department's reputation for fairness, neutrality, and non-partisanship. So we'll overlook things that people do wrong, crimes that are committed, in the interest of protecting the Department of Justice's reputation. Fantastic, Merrick Garland. Fantastic. By the way, wait, this third paragraph down here is a doozy. It really is pushing me over the edge. Second paragraph. Simply put, partisan politics must play no role in the decisions of federal investigators or prosecutors regarding any investigations or criminal charges. Law enforcement officers and prosecutors may never select the timing of public statements, attributed or not. Investigative steps, criminal charges, or any other action in any matter or case for the purpose of affecting any election or for the purpose of giving an advantage or disadvantage to any candidate or political party. Such a purpose or appearance of such purpose is inconsistent with the department's mission and with the principles of federal prosecution. So here's the problem. All of this is great in this second paragraph, except for this. Such a purpose or the appearance of such a purpose. The appearance is going to appear there no matter what, because Republicans are going to cry foul. Donald Trump is going to run for president and the investigation will continue and they're going to say there's the appearance of impropriety. There's the appearance of bias. No matter what. You do your job. You do your job dispassionately. You ignore all these extraneous things. You certainly ignore the reputation of the Justice Department. And then finally, that's actually how the sentence starts, Merrick Garland has made a decision to order employees of the Justice Department to adhere to new rules that were put in place under Bill Barr. Let that one sink in. Finally, department employees must also adhere to the additional requirements issued by the Attorney General on February 5th, 2020. Who was the Attorney General on February 5th, 2020? Was it Bill Barr? Was it Donald Trump's hand-picked charlatan? Anti-democratic ghoul? Bill Barr? Well, sure was. But let's follow his new guidance that he put into place. Must adhere to additional requirements issued by the Attorney General on February 5th, 2020, governing the opening of criminal and counterintelligence investigations by the department, including its law enforcement agencies related to politically sensitive individuals and entities. See Memorandum of Attorney General William Barr, additional requirements for the opening of certain sensitive investigations. Politically sensitive individuals and entities. That is what we're trying to protect here. What he's talking about is political candidates. What he's talking about here is Donald Trump running for president. Because if you think that some congressperson running for office is a politically sensitive entity or person, certainly someone running for president of the United States is. Certainly someone who is a former ex-president running for office again is a politically sensitive individual and entity. So we're just going to ignore because of the reputation of the Justice Department, because of the appearance of this or that. Bring it in, Merrick Garland. Bring it in, brother. You were a fantastic judge. You did a great job as a judge. You're shit in the bed as Attorney General of the United States. And the fact that you were given as a consolation prize the position of AG because you were duped, you were screwed out of a Supreme Court seat, it's a bummer that that happened to you. But this consolation prize bullshit is just that. Merrick Garland is not doing his job well enough, especially related to defending and protecting our democracy, which is in tatters. And I don't know why the representative model, the mainstream, the leadership of the Democratic Party isn't identifying it, isn't looking. They're not dealing with reality on reality's terms. That is a problem. Because we are witnessing the end of American democracy before it really even got a chance to flourish. And they're doing nothing. Not only are they not doing anything, they're doing nothing, they're actively impeding. They're putting rules into place that were put into place by the guy Donald Trump put in to protect him. Explain this to me, someone. 714-576-4054. Of course, you can email me daily@dollemore.com. I would love for someone to explain it. You can also email me daily@dollemore.com. Share this video. Let's talk about this. Get this out there. What is this? Follow me on social media. I'm @Dollemore on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, @Dollemore. And if I do something for you, if you believe in the mission and the objective of this show to preserve our democracy, to defend our democracy, to defend our Constitution, please consider supporting my work. You can click the join button below, become a channel member for $1.99 a month, just pennies a day. Or you can click on over to patreon.com/IDoubtItPodcast and help support my work there. I love you guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time. We're going to keep talking about this. We're not going to let this one die. Please, please don't let this one die. Until next time, be genuine. Take care. of one another.